Hi everybody, welcome back to Beth Unboxes. I'm Beth and I can't wait to show you what I got in my January BoxyCharm by IPSY. If you are not familiar with BoxyCharm by IPSY, it is one of the, I think, 4 subscription offerings that IPSY makes available. This one is going to be 5 full-size products for $30 a month, so that's a really good deal. IPSY will pick 2 of those products for you and you get to choose 3 of the products. So the products that IPSY picks sometimes are really great and sometimes they're like, but it is what it is. At least you have some control over the contents of the box. Some subscriptions is a fully random pick by whoever is the curator of that box. So this one you do get some control over, so that's nice. You do get, after you do your picks, there are some add-ons that you can add starting at $3.50 and up, and I did a couple of those, so I can't wait to show you what I picked out. Before we do get into this box, if you enjoy content like this and would like to see more from my channel, I would love for you to hit subscribe and become part of my YouTube family. That would mean a great deal to me. If you enjoy any part of this video or you find it helpful, I'd love it if you hit that like button for me. And now, without further ado, let's get into this. Whoops, it fell apart. Inside the box, we've got full of products. So my add-ons are in here, my picks are in here, my IPSY picks are in here. I'm trying not to lose my box off my table. So, okay, so first thing in the box is there's going to be a card. And this is just, this month's theme is a clean slate. And instead of having a pamphlet that tells us about the products, it has a QR code to scan, which I kind of hate because now while I'm doing the video, I'm going to have another phone pulled up to show me the products versus just being able to flip through the booklet. So we'll see. Maybe it's actually a better thing. We'll see. But the products come just in the box. There's a piece of paper in here, but it's not really protective. It's just more, I think, for filler. So I'm going to scan the QR code and see what happens. It literally just takes you to the IPSY app where you can go to my account and see what's inside your box. There's 0 additional information. I'm not a fan of this option. No, in fact, it's not even my products. It just took me to the home page with my box, and it's not even, it's because I'm on my sister's phone, my account's not even on here, so it has nothing to do with my products in this box. This is a horrible solution. Absolutely hate it. So I will look up each product individually and I will tell you what I can about it, but I really hope they change that because I'm using my phone to film this that has my account on it, so this is not helpful. So anyway, I do have some information that I sent to my sister's phone from my box. The first thing that IPSY picked is a 2-pack of Lithe brushes, and this is a $32 set according to IPSY, and it comes really nicely packaged in this little zippy doohickey. Well, it's very well packaged actually. There we go. Okay, they fell out, but they actually feel really nice, and they come with the netting over. In my opinion, Lithe is not an expensive or even really high quality brand. A lot of the times the makeup is a little on the cheaper side, at least the packaging, but I will give them credit for these brushes. They feel really nice. They're super soft. We have 2 face brushes. This one says it's a bronzer brush, and this one says it's a tapered powder brush. So both of these will come in handy, and they're nice brushes. So a $32 set of brushes. The next thing that IPSY picked is a Pear Nova contour stick, and this is a $28 value. I'm just looking at my notes I have for some of these things. And this is going to have a bronzer on one end and it's a bronzer on one end and a highlighter on the other end. So you can kind of see through. I'm not going to open this one, but because I didn't pick this one, I'm not going to probably use it. It's not something I would have picked out for myself, so it'll probably get a new home. So I'm just going to leave it closed. But you have a lighter contour stick and a darker. And this says this is a $28 value from Pear Nova. It's a nice product. I just have no need for additional contour products at this time, so we'll set that aside. Okay, so my first pick is an MZ Skin Hyaluronic and Hydrating Serum. It's a hyaluronic acid and hydrating serum, and this product, I thought it was great. I've had a few MZ Skin masks, face masks, the sheet masks, so I thought having the hyaluronic serum itself would be really nice, and I'm going to look up real quick the value for that one. So I guess the other reason I picked this one is it is a $175 value. So this is a $175 value for this product. Plus Enzy Skin is really excellent. The mask I use from them makes a huge difference. So a $175 product I can get in my $30 box. Yes, please. So this is a very good one. That was one of my picks. My next pick is from the Nuco, and this is a skin filter serum. And this one is an all-in-one phytoretinol AHA, and it is for brightens and evening skin tone, and it helps with elasticity, hydrate skin, brighten skin. So let me find my details on this one real quick. Okay, so this one is a $65 product, and this is going to be another good, I didn't show you the bottles, forgive me. Okay, so this one is a really pretty amber colored bottle with a pump. And this is a $65 serum. The serum is really thick. I can see like it's hardly moving in the bottle. So that is a nice thick serum. And I'll go show you the Enzy Skin one as well. The Enzy Skin is also a super pretty bottle, and it's got a pipette top. Very nice. And it's a glass bottle. It's really pretty. I wonder if the other one, did I notice if it was glass? It feels heavy. These are both glass containers. So really nice packaging, excellent value for both of those for products that I got to pick. So even though the products that IPSY picked for me were not my favorite, I made up with it for the picks I did get to pick. So the next one I have is a Glass Skin Tinghulu from Olivia Uma. And this one, the category, when you pick your items, you get pick one item from this group, pick one item from this group, and pick one item from this group. This group really didn't have much that I wanted, but I keep hearing about the glass skin trend, and it's a thing. I don't know that I can ever pull off glassy skin because I like to have my skin not be super shiny, but this one, I am going to look and see what it is. Okay, so I found this one. This is a $48 product, and it's a pretty bottle too. It's pink product inside. It has the Olivia Uma on the side and the Glass Skin Tinghulu on the side. And this says this is a pudding calming cream. So this one, it sounds like it's a product that if you have irritation on your skin or different things, this can help calm that down. But this is, it just says pudding calming cream is literally what it's called on the back. So I'm guessing it's a pudding texture. So those were my picks, and I did get some add-ons. I cannot wait to show you. So I actually added on a set of brushes. I added these brushes as a $3.50 add-on, and these are $38 on the site as the value that they give. These are really nice. These are from the BYOD, and we have just a few kind of face contour brushes. They feel really nice and soft. So these I thought would just be a great addition to my collection of brushes, and for $3.50, why not? It wasn't very much money to add it on, so I went ahead and grabbed these. So this was my $3.50 add-on. I did also get a $12 add-on that I'm super excited about, actually. So we got, I think it was in last month's IPSY Glam Bag, we got the samples of the juice, the Commodity Juice perfume. And my sister and I have tried the Commodity Milk, and while it smells nice, it's not really one that we either one really enjoy. But we each ordered an extra one of these. They were on the $3.50 add-ons, or I think one of us got them in our box and one of them got as add-on. I don't recall, but we each have one, and we enjoyed it so much when I saw this as an add-on. This is a $75 full size for this perfume, and it was $12. So I figured that is too good of a deal to pass up, and I enjoy it so much. I've been being really sparing with the little bottle because I don't want to use it all up, and then I remembered, oh yeah, I'm getting a big one. So this is a great one. We've been using, the other perfumes we've been using this season are that Fenty that we got in the FabFitFun. Oh my goodness. That one is so nice. It's really more of a fall winter one, where this one you can wear any time of the year and be in kind of a fruity fragrance. It's one that is nice to carry through into spring as we get into that part of the year. So this is the bottle. It's super understated, but that's what I like about it. It's a gray glass bottle with Commodity Juice on it, and it is a spray top. This one is a nice, fresh, fruity, floral, really nice smell. It's just, I had it on the other day. I was like, oh, this smells so nice. It's one that you enjoy smelling as you're wearing it. So $75 value, and I only paid $12 for this add-on. So the add-on is sold out now. If you do, if on the sales that they have, I did double check, but if it comes up again, grab it because that's a good deal. This box, not counting my 2 add-ons, was a $461 value box for your $30. So 100% get your bang for your buck with the BoxyCharm by IPSY. You do get to pick the products that, for three of the items, you get to pick. The other 2 IPSY will pick for you. They're decent products, and they might be really big wins for other people. They just were not. Other than these, I do like these brushes, but outside of that, the IPSY picks were kind of duds for me this box. Tell me what you thought of them. If you use the contour stick, is it really a great one? Because I'm really probably going to rehome it. But if it is a good one, I'd love to know in the comments for the other viewers. So let me know. Let me know your picks. Did you get your add-ons for any of the extra stuff? I love to hear what you guys have to say about your products. It just is amazing to me that the community that we have as people, the subscription box community, are so helpful for each other. You guys have given me some great tips for different boxes that I should try, and products that I get in my boxes that I'm not familiar with. You guys are great to give me some feedback on those. So keep it up. I really appreciate it. I want to thank you guys so much for joining me today on Beth Unboxes. For now, I hope you have a great rest of your day, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye.